GlobeCore, a leading manufacturer of equipment for purifying and regenerating transformer oils, has developed the compact transformer oil purifier CMM-0.6, a state-of-the-art equipment designed to remove impurities and contaminants from transformer oil, making it suitable for reuse. Many of GlobeCore's customers have a need for very compact equipment that can be easily transported and used in small spaces. To address this need, GlobeCore has developed the CMM-0.6 unit, which is a completely new plant for the purification of transformer oil, specifically designed for small transformers. This equipment is easy to maintain, compact, and has quiet operation. It suppresses foam formation and protects against oil leakage. But the benefits of the compact transformer oil purifier CMM-0.6 go beyond its compact size. This equipment has an ecological effect, as it helps to reduce waste and promote sustainability by enabling the use of transformer oil. Its productivity of 600 liters per hour and ability to maintain an industrial purity class 14/12 according to ISO 4406 make it an effective solution for transformer oil purification. In addition, GlobeCore has developed a unique version of the compact transformer oil purifier CMM-0.6 that is specifically designed for offshore operations. This equipment has all the benefits of the regular version, such as small dimensions, mobility, simplicity of use, and reliability. To prevent corrosion in offshore conditions, the pipes and vessels of the machine are hot galvanized. This version also includes a waterproof control cabinet, explosion-proof control buttons, and improved process indicators. The unit is equipped with additional supports for better stability, which can be quickly and easily extended. This equipment remains reliable in any weather and is an innovative solution for offshore transformer oil purification. In summary, the compact transformer oil purifier CMM-0.6 is an innovative and efficient solution for transformer oil purification, with a unique offshore version that can withstand the harsh conditions of offshore operations. Its compact size and ecological benefits make it a reliable and sustainable solution for transformer oil purification. For more information, visit our website, www.globecore.com.